Number 6 from the paper 1 of 2018 New Higher Maths, 3 marks this time for evaluate this log expression. It's log base 5. Remembering, of course, log base 5 of something asks the question, what power of 5 is this thing? Well, just now those aren't any nice powers of 5 that you happen to know, so you just use the laws of logs. But you won't be able to combine those logs, so you pop that inside. So that's log base 5 of 8 to the power a third. That'll be the first mark. Now 8 to the power a third, the cube root of 8 is just 2. So that means it's actually equal to log base 5 of 250 minus log base 5 of 2. Subtracting logs, that's the quotient. 250 divided by 2. So that's log base 5 of 125. I guess that's the next mark. Now without any further ado, that just says, what power of 5 is this? And that's power 3.